I'm Jason Pryor, spec sales for LESCO here in Houston, the local rep for Acuity.
My name is Stephen Fossell, and I work on the architectural technical sales team.
Well, the space that we've got, it's kind of an open container, pretty much an empty vessel to kind of receive whatever we put into it. When they put in the old solution that was here, we had a standard set of maybe 4 rectangular boxes with direct indirect. There was nothing for specifiers to come look at. There was nothing interesting that said, hey, we've got something cool to show you. And so when we had the opportunity to kind of refresh the space, there was a focus put on not just the space as a workspace, but as something of a showroom to show off capabilities we had.
It was an open office space that they were looking to install some linear products into. And we thought that leveraging the power that Peerless Renna provides would be a great way to do it.
When Renna came up as a possibility, we saw kind of the corners and pieces that we could use to start to do something a little bit more interesting. And the cool thing about Renna was that we could do all these shapes and pieces without it having to be some sort of crazy custom solution. And we intentionally pushed as many limits as we could with Renna. I mean, it's a new product, but we put it in position where we thought, okay, there's no way they can possibly do this.
So the really cool thing about the Renna product is how it allows you to change dimensions. Not only 2 dimensions, but a 3-dimensional plane as well. So we're able to go up and down walls, side to side, turning it to do some wall washing.
We're extremely pleased with the outcome. When you come up with an idea like this, you worry about when you turn something up, is it going to be too bright to look at? And when you turn it back on itself, is it going to be something that's a glare bomb that you just don't want to see? And it's just such a soft, smooth kind of ribbon of the aesthetic that's lit that you don't perceive it that way. It feels like an art piece.